What's up YouTube, Dion here. Today marks week 1 of my $75 to $10,000 challenge. And I must say, this is a lot harder than I expected. I guess it was easier before because when I started out with $75, I had constant paychecks coming in that I would constantly add a little bit here and there. And I also had the volatility of the OTC market, of which Robinhood doesn't offer. But that's a good thing because we're not going to use OTCs because that's probably the #1 way to make or break you pretty much. And we're just trying to be as stable and as safe as possible and still make a decent amount of gain. So with that being said, this is what happened for our week 1, guys. So first things first, one thing I would like to mention, as I mentioned before, I had funds rolling in. So what I decided to do was I went bare minimum and I'm going to do a reoccurring $10 a week. Yeah, I'm gonna do a reoccurring $10 a week, which is about $40 a month. And we're gonna go from there so we at least have a little bit of capital to lean on, so we have something that we can invest each and every week. That's the bare minimum. I mean, $10, man, I go and spend that on candy, beer, junk food, stuff like that. So $10 isn't too crazy. So we're gonna start with that. But anyways, for today, guys, this is the first week and we are up 4.44%, which is $3.64. That's on the day. On the week, we are down $4.10, which is 4.61%, and that is because when I did have the $75, I did make a few stupid quick trades because I was bored, and you should never do that. Always stick to the plan, guys, because when you get off the plan, that's when bad things happen. So here's what happened with that. I had sold out of some shares of GTE because it was moving very slowly. It's a really great play, but it's just going to take a lot of patience, and I kind of don't have that right now. So what I went and did was sell out of GTE, and then I jumped in on a stock called ZOM for the first time, and took a quick L on that, but it was only an L of like $3 or $4, so that's where that $3 is coming from. So with all that being said, here is the first investment that I made after realizing that I had screwed up. This is Plug Power right here. Right now, Plug Power is at $22.71. They're down $2.02 on the day, which is 8.08%, which is not bad because I have a lot of confidence in this company, guys. This is a EV type play. This is definitely an energy type play. On the day, that's where they're at. On the week, they are up $2.38, and on the month, they are up $6.54, which is great. You can definitely see this company's making moves. On the 3-month chart, they are up $9.70, which is 74.56%. And on the year, they are up $19.15, which is 537%, guys. That's a lot of money right there. That's a quick move right there. Usually with companies like these, I'm very, very skeptical about jumping in, but the world is changing as we speak. If you haven't already heard, the energy sector is just going bonkers right now, and this is definitely one of those stocks that are going bonkers in the energy sector. I have a lot of confidence in this company, guys, and it's for good reasons. As you can see here, they have a market cap of $9.23 billion, which is awesome. Their volume's pretty decent. Their average volume is about 49 million. And for the 52-week high, we're at 25.49. And for the 52-week low, it is $2.53, which is a huge gap up. For plug play, the analyst is 89% buy, 11% hold, and 0% sell. This company is definitely going somewhere, guys. And if this is your first time hearing about Plug Power, I'll read a little bit about the company right here. Plug Power Incorporated provides alternative energy technology which focuses on the design, development, commercialization, and manufacture of hydrogen and fuel cell systems used primarily for the material handling and stationary power markets. This fuel cell system solution is designed to replace lead-acid batteries in electric material handling vehicles and industrial trucks for some distribution and manufacturing businesses. So this company is going to be a very, very big player when the big companies in the EV sector start rolling out their vehicles, such as NIO, Tesla, Ford now, and everybody else that's going to start catching up along with these companies on the EV sector. This company is going to have a big role in that, along with things like Nikola and stuff like that for trucks and whatnot. So with that being said, this company definitely has a great future. They have a lot of deals to be made in the near future, and I definitely see a lot of money to be made in this company. So besides the Plug Power difference in my portfolio, you can also see that I have the 70 shares of GTE instead of my original amount of shares, and that is because I took and oh man, that is because I took and did a quick day trade type thing with ZOM. So we're gonna go ahead and check ZOM out right here. Oh man. Okay. Oh dude. Oh well. Alright, so I just noticed that I sold out a little too soon, but not too bad. So ZOM is Zoomatica, and they are at 17 cents right now. They are up 49% on the day, which is why this one hit my radar. So on the week, they're up 110%, and on the month, they are up 113%. Let's scroll down here. They have a market cap of 94 million, and a little bit about this company. Zoomatica Corporation operates as a development stage company. It creates products for companion animals by focusing on the unmet needs of clinical veterinarians. Guys, so here's the initial move for ZOM right here. I'm gonna scroll down here to the bottom where I took that $2 L. So I had $22 buy-in, and then I turned around and sold for an L of 20 bucks. So I lost $2. And anyways, let's go to the win. All right, so right here I had a limit buy, went through for 140 shares at 11 cents. I spent a total of $16.31. And then today the price shot up, and I sold 140 shares at a total of 16 cents for $22.96. So it was definitely a very nice gain. It pretty much leveled us out. If I didn't screw up and lose the money from before, we'd be up a couple extra bucks, but that's way more than fine with me. Right now the market's still moving because it's not 8 o'clock yet, and after hours is still going on. But right now we are sitting at a total of $84.72, and that's where I'm going to leave this at right now, guys. So for right now we're at $84.72. We'll be investing a total of $10 weekly, so I'm very excited to see where this goes because we're looking in the right direction right now. Should be hitting $100 within the next week or two. Hopefully, I'm really hoping for this. So we'll be hitting $100 and hitting that milestone within the next week or two, and then hopefully within the next month or two we'll be at 200. So that's where my $75 to $10,000 challenge has started out for the first week. The first official week is done with. Hopefully by the end of this month we'll be hitting above $150, and I'll be talking to you guys about some larger plays. I'm definitely excited to see where this thing goes. But anyways, guys, I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want to sign up for either Robinhood or Webull for 3 free stocks on Webull, or you can get 1 free stock on Robinhood. I'm pretty sure that's how that is. It's either 2 or 3 free stocks on Webull and 1 free stock on Robinhood. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below because I would definitely like to hear them. And if you like the page, subscribe and keep up with this challenge because this is going to be really crazy in the next coming year, guys. 2021 is the year, I'm telling you. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.